Hi, this is Taylor, and in this video I'm going to show you how to send a message to your property manager in your TenantCloud account. TenantCloud makes it easy to communicate with your property manager within the system using TC Messenger. First, you must be connected to a property manager. Once you have confirmed that you have a connection, you will be able to message the property manager right within TenantCloud. Click on the TC Messenger button in the top right. Here, you will see a list of all your property managers you have a connection with. Simply start typing in the text box to start a message. If you need to upload any attachments, you can do so by clicking on the TenantCloud Upload button. Click the Send button to send your message. Once you send the message, the property manager will receive a notification. At the same time, if the property manager messages you, you will also receive a notification. And that's how easy it is to message your property manager on TenantCloud.